Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable showing FreeForm in Siri search on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings. Let's say I will show you first how it works. So now I'm going to type FreeForm, as you can see I can still find it in the Siri search because I have this feature on. So now let's open settings, then swipe down and go to the FreeForm, then go to the Siri search and then show up in search. Just disable this option and now I'm going to be able to find the FreeForm in the Siri and search. I'm only going to be able to find the FreeForm options in the settings. So this brings us to this page. So if you don't want to find FreeForm in search, just turn off this option and this is it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!